Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to save a translation preferences in Deepl. So this should be a very simple video. Make sure to watch it from now to the very end so you can get the full information. Now as if saving translation on web, you have to follow this guide here, which is very simple. Save a translation manually with the Save Translation feature. This feature is available for the web translator and mobile apps. Learn more about how to save your translation on web below. So here we go. So if you use, there's a note that we need to understand. If you use Deepl as a part of a team subscription, your team admin can enable and disable the feature for your whole team. If you can't access the saved translation feature on the web, reach out to your team admin for more information. Now, to save a translation to the following in your account. So log into your Deepl account and enter text for translation. Click the bookmark icon in the target text area. Your translation is saved and you are forwarded to the saved translation page. Above the text translation area, you can view the title of your saved translation entry, a cloud icon with a check mark. Next to the title shows that the entry was successfully saved. So let's try that out. So here I'm gonna go ahead and do some translation. I don't know. So this is like choose French. Okay. So this is the type of word I'm going to use. So we're going to save translation like this, as you can see. And once you do this, the translation now, it has been saved, as you can see here, with this cloud mark and the check mark on it. So it's very easy and simple to save. And here, my workspace, you can find save translations. So you can find literally your translation that you have created just right now. For example, here, if I don't want it anymore, I can either rename it or delete it in case I wanted to. And yeah, that was basically it for today's video, guys. This is how you can save a translation preferences in Deepl. Thank you guys a lot for watching. And yeah, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.